Listen to my words very carefully. The thing which everybody needs, but 99% quit. Success. There is only one requirement: consistency and patience. Listen to my words very carefully, because I'm going to compare your success. Doesn't matter in which kind of career, in what kind of business you are. Maybe it's design, maybe it's programming, maybe it's business. Doesn't matter. They all require patience. They all require time. Imagine a rain, for example. Is it starts flooding right away from the sky from the first minute when it starts? No, it doesn't work like this. First, it starts calmly and peacefully and nicely and gently, but few hours later, it's not friendly anymore. It's scary because water is everywhere and it's not under your control. You cannot control it. You can just run away from it. And probably because it's falling from the sky, it's gonna caught you anyway. Doesn't matter where you are. It's like with a success in your life. Doesn't matter where you are in this world. You need success everywhere. Everybody wants to be successful. Nobody wants to be a loser. Nobody wants to be close to loser. Nobody wants to be a father or parent of loser. Everybody wants to be with a winner. Everybody is proud of winner. Everybody wants to call himself a winner, or at least a close friend, parent, mother, or father of a winner. You cannot be a loser when you're only child of your family. One very clever person from the YouTube break down stages of learning to code into 5 stages. And the most dangerous stage of learning to code, in my opinion, is third, where you just start the learning right away. You are excited, you are funny, you want to make shit ton of money, but then you realize that.
Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done.
Remember, I compared rain to your success. The third stage of learning how to code was doubt. You don't know what to do, what to expect. It's very similar with rain also, because there is a stage of rain when you don't understand, is it gonna rain at all? Because it's kind of cloudy, kind of windy, and it's kind of raining, but you are not sure anymore that it's gonna rain at all. Guess what? It will. It will flood from the sky. It doesn't matter in what kind of stage of learning, stage of building your business you are in right now. The last stage of everything is success. Putting hours of work, putting yourself, your dreams into something, for sure, one day you will succeed. And guess what? Last stage of rain is pouring from the skies, is flood, is water everywhere. You cannot ignore it. The same thing happens when you achieve the success in your life, isn't it? Like you prove people that they was wrong and you are winning so big so that they cannot ignore you. That's why I'm recording this video. Because I want to just share with you my journey. I am going through suffering, I'm going through pain, and I want you guys, which are going through similar shit, but it's not shit. This is the exact thing which is making from you something important. You are not important right now, but if you succeed, you will become important. I know how it feels. Simultaneously fail, but true deep in your heart, you understand that you're winning. Losing and winning are friends. They always come together. If you're losing, for sure, sooner or later winning will come. And this is just a matter of time. This is so easy to describe it, but way harder to live it. And I know how it's like. Look at where I'm filming right now, this video. Look at my table. I am rising from the very deep bottom. Thanks guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. See you in next episodes. Bye.